Welcome to Product Critique. In this video, we're talking about the best C5 Corvette double din dash kit on the market, the Metra DP-3021B. If you're upgrading your 1997 to 2004 Chevrolet Corvette stereo system, this is the kit you need to make that transformation seamless and factory fresh. Let's kick things off by addressing why this dash kit stands out. When installing an aftermarket double din stereo into a C5 Corvette, you often face challenges related to fitment, alignment, and aesthetics. The Metra DP-3021B solves all of those issues straight out of the box. It's a purpose-built solution, engineered specifically for the 1997 through 2004 Corvette models. Out of the package, the DP-3021B is built with precision and durability in mind. The materials used are a blend of copper and polyvinyl chloride, ensuring both structural integrity and heat resistance, which is crucial given the interior temperature fluctuations in performance vehicles like the C5. One of the kit's standout features is that it comes pre-assembled. That means you don't have to fiddle around attaching brackets or sourcing additional parts. It includes a factory-style pocket with a 12 volts outlet provision and even a pre-assembled cup holder, which is a thoughtful touch, especially since replacing or repositioning factory cup holders is usually a headache when doing a stereo swap. The faceplate itself is painted with a scratch-resistant finish, and the color match is on point with the original Corvette dash. That ensures the upgrade doesn't look like an aftermarket mod. Instead, it blends perfectly with the factory interior aesthetics. The OEM look is especially important to Corvette enthusiasts who want to keep the cabin clean, classic, and uncluttered. Installation is pretty straightforward for experienced DIYers or professional installers. It accommodates ISO DDIN radio units, meaning you can integrate the latest touchscreen head units, navigation systems, or Apple CarPlay or Android Auto receivers without any trouble. In terms of dimensions, while the product listing shows a generic 1x1x1 inch placeholder, the actual dash kit fits snugly into the Corvette's central console area, replacing the factory unit and giving you modern stereo functionality without compromising the car's unique style. What's more, it weighs practically nothing, just 0.01 ounces, which means it adds zero bulk while delivering all the structure you need. The connector types listed include RCA and barrel jack, which are standard for most modern head units, making integration simple and clean. So whether you're reviving an old Corvette's dashboard or customizing a high-performance sound system setup, the Metra DP-3021B makes that process look good and feel even better. It's not just a mounting kit, it's an upgrade that respects the Corvette's legacy while modernizing its entertainment capabilities. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what upgrades you've made to your C5 Corvette and what you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.